Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creme brulee cheesecake. First, gather all your ingredients, making sure your cream cheese and eggs are at room temperature for a smooth batter. Next, prepare your 9-inch springform pan by lightly greasing it and wrapping the bottom and sides tightly with 2 to 3 layers of heavy-duty aluminum foil to prevent water from seeping in during baking. Finally, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to start with the crust. Let's create the delicious crust. Combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 6 tablespoons of melted butter and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom and slightly up the sides of your prepared 9-inch springform pan. Bake the crust for about 10 minutes until it's lightly golden, then let it cool. For the filling, beat 32 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 1/3 cups of granulated sugar until smooth. Then, gradually mix in 4 large eggs, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, being careful not to overmix. Now, pour your creamy cheesecake batter over the cooled graham cracker crust. Gently tap the pan on your counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles, which helps prevent cracks. Next, place your foil-wrapped springform pan into a larger roasting pan. Carefully pour 1 to 2 inches of boiling water into the larger pan, creating a water bath around the cheesecake. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 75 to 85 minutes, until the edges are set but the center still has a slight jiggle. Turn off the oven, crack the door, and let it cool slowly for 1 hour before chilling overnight in the refrigerator. The final, exciting step is the brulee topping. First, ensure your cheesecake is thoroughly chilled, ideally for at least 6 hours or even overnight, for the best texture. When ready to serve, sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar evenly over the entire top surface. Use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden brown, glassy crust. Let it set for a minute or 2 before slicing and serving. Be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.